Imagine a tiny piece of rubber that has been saving the world for centuries. This incredible eraser has been quietly making our lives easier for over 200 years. Developed in 1834 by a British merchant named William Munro, it has been a game changer in the world of art and everyday life. From sketching masterpieces to correcting math problems, the eraser has been a trusted companion for generations. But have you ever stopped to think about how it works, or the surprising ways it's been used? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of erasers and uncover some surprising secrets. You might be surprised to learn that erasers come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and materials, from traditional pink erasers to specialized types for specific tasks. There's an eraser for every job. But how do they work, and what makes them so effective? It all comes down to a simple yet clever mechanism. Erasers work by removing pencil marks through a process called abrasion, where tiny particles wear away the graphite. But that's not the only way erasers are used. In the early 20th century, erasers were even used in the development of plastic surgery. By using erasers to remove pencil marks from skin, doctors were able to create more realistic skin grafts. The eraser's versatility extends beyond the arts and medicine. In the 1960s, erasers were used to create the first erasable pens. These innovative pens used a special type of eraser to remove ink from paper. But the story of the eraser doesn't end there. In recent years, erasers have even been used in space exploration. By using special types of erasers, astronauts are able to remove pencil marks from spacesuits. It's a testament to the eraser's enduring appeal and versatility. From art to space exploration, the eraser has come a long way since its humble beginnings. So next time you reach for an eraser, used, and if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Want more fascinating facts and stories? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.